Right, question 6, angles question. A few people went a bit weird with rules of angles, but a lot of people had the right idea on this. Okay, so we have to find angle x. We've got a parallelogram that told us 3 of the angles, we've got an extra diagonal line in this line in here. And then pretty much it's going to be hard to try and blag your way to x straight away from this. So I just went and said, right, what angles can I work out? What do I know? Well, I can work out that angle. And as soon as I can work out an angle, I can say what it is, okay, and I can say how I worked it out. So that's the angle from A to B to D, and I did 180 minus 120 minus 38, and you get 22 degrees, okay. How do I know that? Because angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees, okay. That may or may not help me, but I've worked it out. I'll probably get a mark for working something out. So that's 22 degrees. Okay. What else now? This is a parallelogram. So I know that the opposite angles are equal. Okay, so I know this angle is 120 degrees. I also know that this angle and this angle here add up to 180. Okay. You can't blag an angle with parallelograms for that, but you can see your rule. Okay, so that's angle A to B to C. That's 180 minus 180 minus 120, so that's 60 degrees. And the reason I know this is because I've got a pair of parallel lines here, they keep going, and I've got a line crossing them. So these are allied angles, it's the same as your cangles. Okay, these two angles add up to 180. Okay, so my reason is allied angles in parallel lines. Once we've got that, okay, it's getting more complex now, I can work out this angle. Okay, I don't need to give a reason for that because I've got the 22 and I've got the 60. So I know that's 38 degrees. Okay, so now I can work out this angle here. And blag out my red pen. That one there at C, so that's angle BCE. And I know that that plus that is 180. So 38 add 41 is 79, so that must be 101 degrees. Okay, and my reason again, angles in a triangle sum to 180. Okay, so once I've got that one, 101, I can use the whole opposite angles in a parallelogram. So that's this angle here, A to C to B. So A to C to B is 120 degrees, opposite angles in a parallelogram. Okay, so once I've got that's 120 and that's 101, I can take it away and get x equals 19 degrees. Okay, that was probably the most straightforward way of doing it. There were other ways of doing it. You could have worked out that this one was 22. By doing alternate angles in parallel lines, and you could have worked out that one was 139 using angles on a straight line, and then you could have done angles in a triangle to get x. That's fine as well. Okay, right, I think that's pretty much it for question 6.